Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stew in 99 Nights in the Forest Easy Guide. Gather water, root vegetables, wild herbs, and a protein source. Build a sheltered fire and use a sturdy pot to simmer slowly. Maintain a low steady heat, skim foam, add salt near the end, and rotate ingredients across nights to preserve flavor. Taste daily, adjust seasoning, and store cooled stew safely each morning. Start with a clear list of staple ingredients and safe foraged items for stew, prioritizing high-calorie and durable choices. Use tubers, dried grains, smoked meat, and hearty greens. Avoid unknown mushrooms. Pack lightweight seasonings like salt, pepper, and bay leaves. Collect clean water and purify before cooking. Plan for variety by rotating herbs and proteins every few nights to prevent menu fatigue and nutrient gaps in long-term wilderness cooking. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps and keeps useful and practical content coming. Quick recommendation: I love reading survival manuals on the new Kindle Paperwhite. It easily fits in a pack and holds dozens of recipes and maps. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one or similar gear. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Layer flavors by sweating onions or leeks first, then browning proteins when possible to build depth before adding liquids. Keep a gentle simmer to tenderize roots and grains without boiling away nutrients, and cover pot to conserve heat. Use a wooden spoon to break down soft vegetables and monitor liquid levels, topping off with small amounts of water rather than adding all at once to maintain concentrated, hearty stews across many nights.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.